I just wanted to say hi and come and join me. Let's put our feet in the water. There are multiple sandbars here. I'm in Tulum, Mexico, and this whole place is surrounded by mangrove gardens, and they're just beautiful. And as I walk along the beach, there's lots and lots of shells. And as you know, I'm a beach girl, so this is my happy place. And just getting away for a few days, listening to the ocean, it's really quite remarkable. So join me, even if you're in an icy, cold, and snowy place. Join me, imagine that your feet are in the water with me. Take a few breaths and just enjoy nature. Thanks for joining me on this nature.